Hello, second graders. We've been working on adding on a hundreds chart. So I've put this activity about adding tens on a hundreds chart on our Google Classroom so that we can practice our skills a little bit. Let's read and see what we have to do. Let's start up here in the green. Help the racers speed to the answer. Solve the addition problem on the hundreds chart. I'm going to continue with directions over in this area. It says, drag and extend the pieces below to show how to add on a hundreds chart. I've got a green circle, a couple of arrows, and a red circle. So, okay, I'm going to use those pieces. Type the sum in the box. Here's my equation. 65 plus 30 equals blank. So here's what we're going to do. I have to figure out what number to start on. And whenever I see an equation where I just have adding tens, because I have 3 tens and no ones, that's pretty easy. And I always start on the other number when that happens, because this one has tens, 6 tens, and 5 ones. So that's the number I'm going to start on. I'm going to grab my green circle where I start. I'm going to put it on 65. I know I need to count on 30. On a hundreds chart, hopping down one time adds 10. Ooh, I need to add 3 tens, so I'm going to go 10, 20, 30. Oh, I see I need the down arrow, so I'm going to pull it over here. I remember I ended up on 95, so I need to extend it a little bit. Great, I'm going to check myself. 10, 20, 30. Oh, good. That's where I stop. So I need to go get my red circle and I put it right on 95. Now I'm ready for my equation. 65 plus 30 equals blank. Well, I know that's 95 because I figured it out on my hundreds chart. You'll have several slides like this to do. I want to show you though, I've included one slide at the end that actually has a little number story here about Saturday Stevie racing laps. It doesn't show you the equation. You're going to have to get the numbers from the number story. All right, get to work.